Hey there, this is Bo, and here's my story. I am in Kauai, and I'm gonna start my first day off here by doing a little bit of yoga, get my mind right, get my body right, and then go hit the beaches. So I'm staying at the beautiful Kauai Shores Hotel. I'm gonna show you guys that. And if you are watching, thanks for journeying with me and being here on this trip, and it's gonna be a lot of fun. So hang tight, and if you have any questions along the way, just shoot me a message and maybe I'll have that answer for you. All right, guys, see you soon. Well, I just wrapped up a really lovely yoga class, and right here on the beach, I practice yoga all the time, but I've never practiced with a Hawaiian breeze and that ocean sound in the background, so that was really awesome. Kauai Shores Hotel, I really recommend it. The check-in was great. Really cool, pretty location, and for yoga every single morning at 8:30. I'll be here tomorrow. So I made my way to Poipu Beach, which is on the south central side of the island. It's a really pretty spot. I'll do some video of the other area over there where a lot of people are out snorkeling and having a great time. If you choose to go to this beach and you're staying on the east side like I am, my first initial thoughts was to take the coastal road to see the ocean. But I got routed through kind of the center of the island, and I was happy that I did because there are beautiful trees and nature, and you can kind of see the mountains in the distance, and it's really pretty. So that might be a neat option just to see something different, and then on the way back I'll take the coastal road and get to see both things. So I'm gonna jump in that water and cool myself up. Okay, so it's day 2 of Kauai, and I started my day off again with a little bit of yoga. That was super nice. Yoga with the beach sounds, can't beat it. And I get to go see one of my favorite bands of all time, Leftover Salmon, tonight in the North Shore, close to Princeville, so I'll show you guys that. And I stopped by, I'm kind of headed that way just to hang out and explore the north side of the island, and I'm glad that you're along for that ride. But I stopped at this place to get an acai bowl. So packed with nutrient-rich antioxidants to help me get through this day. So I'll show you what that looks like here in a second. So really cool, excited, beautiful out here. The vegetation and the mountains in Kauai are next level. So that was a delicious acai bowl, and this place is called Halalea Juice. I highly recommend it. So if you are on the east side of the island, come check it out. It's great, it's organic, it's delicious, and the ingredients were unbelievably fresh, tip top. 100% recommend. Give it a go. Apparently that's a mountain where King Kong was filmed or superimposed digitally, whatever. Let me show you something really pretty. I'm in Hanalei on the north side of the island. It is just so pretty. The waterfalls. Skies and some poke. So I found this cool little beach, kind of got tipped off by it from a local, which is really nice. I found the people to be really friendly here and really cool. If you just talk to them, they'll tell you all the cool places to go. It's pretty awesome. There's good snorkeling. It's in a remote location. That cell service isn't too good, which is kind of nice because who really wants to talk on their phone when you're in a beach like this? But I'm only on a phone myself for recording reasons, and I want to share this cool place with you guys. So it's beautiful. You can snorkel. The water is not deep. There's some nice fish, and there are these beautiful rocks that are around. Kind of cool place to just kick it and have a good time. I stopped by a local market and got some poke, which I highly, highly recommend. It was delicious and it's relatively cheap. And is there a better restaurant than like this beach? You know what I mean? For real. So it's a really awesome place. Kauai, definitely, when they say it's like the natural island, that is no joke, man. This is beautiful. So definitely come try to check out these little remote beaches. Easy parking, cool times, laid back, good vibes. Must go wash the sand off my body. Big fan of these outdoor showers. Love them. Best thing ever. No re-entry yet. I made it all the way to Hawaii to see leftover salmon with all these beautiful people. It's going to be a really cool night. I'm really excited about it. A lot of good music ahead of us, and there's a lot of cool energy in this place. Wow, it's really cool. For a bike ride in Hawaii, and I could not be more excited about it. This is the day that we have ahead of us. Didn't do yoga this morning because biking. These are the bikes that you can rent, free with the hotel. Kind of dig this hotel, it's really cool. Man, it is epic riding out here. So there's a super long path that you guys are seeing. It is awesome. And there are these little places where you can stop. Man, greatness. If you like to bike, this is awesome. Can I just tell you guys, this pass is one of the loveliest places I've ever gone for a bike ride in my entire life. And actually that's saying a lot because I raced bikes until I was 29 years old. So I have cycled thousands of miles on this earth. This is just the best. So do something cheap for yourself when you come here, something healthy for yourself, rent a bike, go for a bike ride, and you get all this. Yeah. Came to check out this matcha place, which I heard is delicious. They make all sorts of matcha drinks and smoothies and stuff. Down by the beach. Cool area. So check it out. Matcha ya. Back here for leftover salmon night 2 in Kauai, and I couldn't be more excited, man. What a beautiful day. Check this out. What a beautiful place to see a concert, and what a lovely band to see. All right.
You need to ensure that the rest of your being has integrity to help your soul island put the best outcome possible. The earth got you. You're completely supported, provided for.
Out to check out Wailua Falls. I have no idea what it's gonna look like, but I bet it's gonna be pretty.
Watching the time roll away, sitting on the dock of the bay, wasting time.
Finally made it to Waimea Canyon, and none of this video does this place justice. Quite impressive, very deep. I kind of am scared of heights a little bit, but not scared of pretty views. my time here in Kauai has officially come to an end. So I'm going to bid you all a farewell and thank you for joining me and riding along on this special trip. Kauai is just a beautiful and magical place, and I hope that you saw some things that maybe turned you on to come out here and have an adventure for yourself. So mahalo, aloha, sayonara, and all the rest of it. See you guys out there on the road, and can't wait to see you guys on the next adventure. You guys be good. See ya.